Hi everyone. So today you can see we have received this Innova Krista for the exterior customization job. So this is a standard Innova Krista to which we will be installing the Lexus kit, and in the Lexus kit the front bumper and the show grille will be changed. On the side there are not much changes, it will be same as it is. Only thing what we will be doing is we will be painting this door. So you can see there are deep scratches. It's not a surface level, it's a deep scratch. The paint has come out, so we'll be painting this door as well. On the interior, the door pads, which is in plastic, will be done in composite leather of a very good premium quality. Most of the things are done already, but there are minute detailing like this. Entire line in the top end comes in silver, so that is missing. We'll be doing that. The gear knob will be done in genuine leather, handbrake will be done in genuine leather, and even the armrest will be done in a premium quality composite leather. At the rear also, this bumper will have a skirt along with the diffuser, so even that will be installed. So these are the things that we will be doing in this Innova Krista. We will try to finish it in 2 to 3 days. Along with that, there are things like anti-rust, interior cleaning, exterior detailing, all these things will also be done. So stay tuned guys, we will update you once the job is done. This is Auto Rounders Mumbai. Thank you. Hi everyone. So finally this car is ready, and now you can see the complete Lexus kit of this car has been fitted, and you can check the finishing. I think even Toyota should consider to give this, because it's looking way better than the original grille and the original looks of the car, because this is now you can see a simple addition of front bumper and the show grille, and this DRL has changed the looks completely. And that's what we say, that do a simple thing but then it should look very classy, and that's what this kit is. It's perfect fit, perfect match of the color also, everything is perfect. And as I said, we paint in paint booth machine, so there is no problem in the paint at all. And this grille has been painted in a different color to give a contrast. Plus the entire border you can see, this is a chrome, in this color logo also with the black background also comes along with the kit. So basically what the things that we have changed is the front bumper, front show grille, this DRL, these are the chrome parts, accessories, even this border is also painted matching with the grille. So these are the things that has been changed in the front. Now let me show you at the rear. So front, the entire bumper is new, because you can see that the entire shape of the bumper is totally different. Inside, at the rear, you can see that this is the skirt. So the bumper is original, we have just added this skirt and this skirt actually comes with 2 dummy diffuser. So the feeling is as if that it's there are 2 different exhaust in this. but that's just a dummy, it's only for the show purpose. So these are the things which is done at the rear. Inside I had shown you few stung last time. So you can see that door pad over there now, which was in plastic, now it's in leather. So we have done that door pad in leather. The armrest over here, we have added composite leather with extra cushioning as required by our customer. This has been done. Even the handbrake you can see is in leather. This gear knob is in genuine leather, and this is that thing which I had mentioned in the previous video, that key which was not done earlier, but we have given this entire silver line so that it's exactly like the top end model. So interior, not major changes, but we have done what was missing in this car. So in case if you're looking at such kind of modification, you can call us on 766830 830 for Hyderabad and 766930 930 for Mumbai. Thank you so much guys.